ready for today's conversation. This is 7 Diamond Radio. Welcome to 7 Diamond Radio, where powerful conversations shape focus, faith, relationships, and purpose.
I've seen people moving, but they're standing still, chasing moments, never knowing what they feel.
Today on Purpose Drive, we face a quiet truth. Excuses often sound logical when fear is hiding behind them. Fear rarely introduces itself honestly. Instead, it disguises itself as a reasonable explanation. It may sound like waiting for the right time, but sometimes it is simply avoiding the risk. Many dreams remain unfinished, not because people lack ability, but because fear keeps offering convincing excuses. Excuses protect comfort, but they quietly delay progress. Growth often begins the moment we question the excuses we have accepted. Courage does not mean the absence of fear. It means choosing action even while fear is present. When excuses lose their power, purpose begins to move forward. So examine your reasons carefully, because sometimes the most logical excuse is simply fear asking you to stay where you are. This is Purpose Drive on 7 Diamond Radio.
I've learned that waiting doesn't mean delay.
Thank you for listening. Stay focused, stay thoughtful, and keep moving forward with us here on 7 Diamond Radio.